Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So we will continue with the quadratic equation that we are solving with the formula method. We have one more example which is 25x square plus 30x plus 9 equals to 0, and it is given in your textbook. So this is the example, okay. So we are going to solve now. So if we will compare this equation, so we can write by comparing this equation with standard form, with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then we can write a equals to, we have 25. See here, a equals to, we have 25. What is a? It is the coefficient of x square. So here x square has coefficient 25. That means a equals to 25. Then b equals to, we have 30. And c equals to, we have 9. C equals to, we have 9. So what is the formula now? Formula is x. See here, x is the root, that's why we have taken x. So x equals to, we have minus b plus minus b square, inside root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, it is the formula. So what we are doing every time, we are deriving the value of b square minus 4ac first. So b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is 30. So we have to write square of 30 minus 4 into, what is a? A is 25. So we have to write 25 here, into c is 9. So we have to write 9. So square of 30 is 900. So 900 minus 4 into 25 is 100 into 9. So we can write 900 minus 100 into 9 is 900. Therefore 900 minus 900 is 0. Therefore the square b square minus 4ac have value 0. So now we will use formula. So what is formula? It is x square, it is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x square equals to, see, minus b. So we have sign minus. What is b? B is 30. So we have to write 30 here, plus minus root. What is b square minus 4ac? Is 0. So we have to write 0 here. Divide by, it is 2a. So 2 into, what is a? A is 25. So we have to write here 25. It is a. So x equals to minus 30. See, if, what is the root 0, the value of root 0? 0. That means plus minus 0, divide by 25 into 2 is 50. So x square equals to minus 30 divided by 50. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So we can have now x equals to minus 3 by 5. So every quadratic equation have two roots. So we can write here, so we can have minus 3 and minus 3 by 5, and minus 3 by 5 will be the root of quadratic equation. Okay. So likewise we had to solve all the quadratic equation by using formula method. Okay. So here it is a very simple part, and we are going to solve one more question which is in fraction form, which is given in your exercise. Okay, that is in practice set. So if you want to write, you can write now. Okay, so I'm going to erase now. We are going to solve the next problem which is given in your practice set 2.4. So the first question of 2.4 says compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of ABC. So every time we are writing the values of ABC by comparing our given equation with standard form of quadratic equation. Okay. Then second question says solve the quadratic equation by using formula. Okay. So here we have 6 questions. So 6 questions are as similar as that we have solved in our previous video as well as in today's video. So here the question number 5 is given in fraction form. So I am going to solve this question, then rest 5 question will be homework for you. Okay. So fifth, this practice set practice set 2.4. Question number 2 and sub question number is 5. What is the question? Y square plus 1 by 3 of y equals to 2. Okay. So it is quite different quadratic equation that we have solved previously and which is given in your textbook also. So here 1 by 3 is given. So can we convert this 1 by 3 by multiplying whole the equation by 3? So we have to solve first. Solution. See, we have y square plus 1 by 3y equals to 2. So we have to transfer this 2 to another side. So what we will get? We will get y square plus 1 by 3 of y minus 2 equals to 0. We can solve by using fraction also, but if you want to simplify it, you can do one thing, that multiply equation by 3. So 3 into y square plus 1 by 3y minus 2 equals to 0. So we are multiplying whole the equation by 3. So 3 into y square is 3y square plus, see, if we will multiply 3 to this portion, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So we will have only y minus 2 into 3 is 6 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation now that we can solve easily. Okay. So we have standard. So by comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So we can write a equals to we have 3. So a equals to 3. B equals to we have here 1. So we have 1. Then c equals to we have minus 6. Okay. So these are the values of a, b and c coefficients. So we can solve easily now. So we have formula. What is the formula? It is, see, if we have y, so we have to take the root y equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So what we are doing? We are deriving the value of this portion only. So we have b square minus 4ac. So what is b? B is 1. So we have to write 1 square minus 4 into what is a? A is 3. And what is c? It is minus 6. So 1 square is 1 minus 4 3s are 12 and 12 6 are 72 and minus into minus is plus, so we have to write 72. Okay, so 1 plus 72 is 73. So we have the value of b square minus 4ac is 73. Okay, so now we will apply the formula. So what is formula? We have y equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have y equals to minus, what is b? B is 1, so 1 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 73, so we have to write 73 here, divide by 2 into 1, what is 2a? A is 3, so 3. So y equals to minus 1 plus minus root 73 divided by 2 3s are 6. So y equals to, once we have to take positive sign and another time we will take negative. So taking positive sign. So y equals to minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6. So this is the first root of the quadratic equation. Now taking negative sign. So y equals to minus 1 minus root 73 divided by 6. So this is the second root of given quadratic equation. So we have both the root of quadratic equation, that means we have the answer now. So we have to write result. So what will be result? The roots of quadratic equation y square plus 1 by 3 of y equals to, or minus 2 equals to 0 is y equals to, we have minus 1 plus root 73 divided by 6 and minus 1 minus root 73 divided by 6 is the answer. Okay, so likewise you have to solve all the problems related to formula method. Okay, so here we are going to complete our formula method part. So there are 5 questions that you have to solve, and they are really very simple. You have to solve like this only. Okay, so this is homework for you. So we will continue with the next part, that is the application of quadratic equation in daily life, or you can say in mathematics. So here we are going to complete our today's session. So मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.